Hey everybody, Mike Evans with 4GK Martial Arts in Patchogue. We're here with today's Early Skills Martial Arts Challenge of the Day. This is our second day working on our rolling skill. So we'll need that ball that we used yesterday. In this drill, what we're going to be doing is a figure eight slalom. So whereas yesterday we did figure eights around our own feet, today you can see I have some pads set up in the background there. You can use stuffed animals, little folded hand towels, sticks if you're outside, or leaves. What we want to do is have the kids still have that awesome control they had yesterday, but now we're doing it on a bigger scale. So we want to maybe gamify this by doing it as a timed race to see, can they beat you? Remember, the more interactive you are in these lessons, the better it'll be for the child. Find ways to have fun with this. Let me show you how it's going to work. So we're going to start off down here at one side, and the kids have to keep their fingertips on the ball as they roll it all the way down and around, and then they would go back. Make sure when you set up your pads, you don't set them up too far. I have these spread out a little bit because I'm a pretty big 3-year-old. But we want just enough room for them to be able to go through there. If you make it too big, it becomes too challenging, and then they don't want to participate quite as much. Remember, the more ways you can find to have fun with it, the better they'll do. Let us know how it goes.